Hello, to this video I'm gonna make a crispy chicken wings with a few ingredients. Here I have chicken wings. I have a garlic and black powder, salt, and olive oil. Now let's start with our chicken wings. Let's cut a part of it. This. And then add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, one teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of black powder, and a teaspoon of salt. Mix together. Now arrange. Now fry the medium heat. Now every 5 minutes turn it on the other side to avoid burning. Now let it uncover and wait again for another 5 minutes. The oil is getting dry. Let's turn on the other side. Now our chicken crispy wings are done and ready to serve.